Oops, I should have taken a mental note that my battery was running low on my camera. But anyways, we're back. So, I got a text message. So, what was the other thing I wanted to show you? Okay, if you rooted your phone already, you can ignore the second part of this video, because I'm just going to demonstrate how to get into Malez and how that works and what you can do within that menu set. But before you go, the last thing I want to mention is that if you are looking for a new Android phone, or you're just looking for a replacement for a couple months, or you're looking for, you know, something to subside until the next Android phone, I suggest getting this. I just did a Google search and I checked eBay and Kijiji while my battery was recharging, and you can actually pick this phone up for like less than $200 used from anyone really that's willing to sell it or get rid of it. You know, I've actually had, you know, I really hated, I really loathed this phone for like the longest time. Like, all the ROMs sucked, and I mean, they were just so buggy and crashy and stuff. But you know, the past couple of weeks that I've been using this Liquid Nexus, kind of like gave the phone like a new pair of wings. I've actually enjoyed using it. It's like, you know, just as fluid as using my iPhone 3G when I had it. But the one problem I have with, you know, Android phones is that you're spending so much time trying to find like the right ROM for you, especially with your phone, because there's like hundreds and hundreds of ROMs out there for every different kind of model of phone. Like, if you have one of the phones that's on the CM7 list, I'd go with that ROM, even though it's still not as it's just not as fluid as something like this. You know, there's that Liquid Kang version, which is CM 6.1, but for Acer phones, I'd avoid that. It's still kind of crashy, and actually you don't have access to your browser, so that was a shame. Since we're in here, I'd suggest taking away Safari from your phone and using Dolphin browser, because it's freaking amazing. Because like, if I wanted to go to Twitter, I'd just draw a T or add a gesture, I guess. F is for Facebook. How freaking simple is that? Anyways, that's just my 2 cents. But yeah, like, I've had a major problem when it comes to especially community ROMs, trying to find the right one. So this is especially a ROM that I've enjoyed for the past couple of weeks. And you know, especially when it comes to those push notifications, I never really have to worry about, you know, going back to the website and finding a new ROM, reflashing, wiping my phone. It's all right here, and I don't have to worry